How can I finally create wildfire defensible space? Imagine your home surrounded by a safe zone that can slow down or stop a wildfire in its tracks. Creating this space is one of the best ways to protect your property and loved ones. First, start by clearing all dead or dry plants within the first 30 feet of your house. This includes dry leaves, wood piles, and mulch that can easily catch fire. Keep plants low and well-watered, and choose fire-resistant species like succulents or native grasses. Prune tree branches so the lowest limbs are at least 6 to 10 feet above the ground. This stops flames from climbing from the ground to the tree canopy. Remove any flammable plants or shrubs close to your home and replace them with less flammable options. Make sure decks, fences, and outdoor furniture are made of non-combustible materials or are cleared of any flammable items. Check that chimneys have spark arresters and keep at least 10 feet of clearance from combustible materials. Moving further out, from 30 to 100 feet, thin out trees and shrubs to create space. Remove dead branches, fallen leaves, and underbrush that can fuel a fire. Space trees based on their height and the slope of your land. More space is needed on hills because fire spreads faster uphill. Avoid planting dense clusters of flammable plants and follow local fire codes about which plants are safe. Keep in mind the importance of breaking up fuel ladders, which are vertical connections that allow fire to climb from ground level to treetops. Regularly inspect your property, especially during fire season, and remove any accumulated dry grass or debris. You can also add hardscape features like gravel pathways or stone patios to act as fire breaks. Installing exterior sprinkler systems can help keep your home wet and less likely to ignite. Store firewood and propane tanks at least 30 feet away from your house and clear your roof and gutters of leaves and twigs that could ignite from embers. Creating and maintaining this buffer zone takes some effort, but it is a vital step in wildfire preparedness. It not only shields your home but also makes it safer for firefighters to protect your property during a wildfire. Regular upkeep and following local regulations will keep your defensible space effective and ready when you need it most.